Once back on the Interoperability Journal platform with the administrator user profile, this screen shows the unification of the user list with the aim of viewing a consolidated list with all users registered in the system. In this list, filters can be applied to obtain the required information. The following screen shows the unification of the application approval and rejection process carried out by the coordinator and editorial committee, showing how the selection results are validated and segmented with the profile assigned within the system. Continuing with the administrator profile, you see a header with the balance available in AUTOS. The referee portfolio is displayed in test mode, which describes a set of records composed of an ID, name, surname, identification S number, email, phone, institution, academic level, country, and state. In addition, continue the side panel that contains current edition, previous editions, referees, in which two options are displayed: referees portfolios and referee by edition, applications, applications made, and application approval. On this screen, application for researcher. The reader can apply to be a researcher by filling out the registration form. Part of the data was provided when he registered as a reader. 2 questions are added according to the researcher application. On the other hand, he must choose the line of research in which want to publish. The different requested documents must also be attached, such as curriculum summary, proof of originality, proof of authorship agreement, disclosure permission, dissemination of the article, photo, and identification number. Then press the Save button to store the attached documents. On this screen, application for referee. The reader can apply to be a referee by filling out the registration form, part of the data that was provided when he registered as a reader. 4 questions are added according to the application for referee, which are displayed on the screen. On the other hand, you must choose the line of research in which you want to arbitrate. You must also attach the different requested documents, such as academic data, curriculum summary, proof of publication support, identification number, then press the Save button to store the attached documents. Now from the editorial coordinator profile, this screen shows a list of the applications made. It contains the following data: ID, application date, application type, first name, last name, identification number, status, and actions. A side menu is also shown with current edition, previous editions, referees, and nominations made, and at the end the exit label. Returning to the administrator profile, this screen shows a list of the approval of applications that contains the following data: ID, application date, application type, first name, last name, identification number, status, and actions. On this application for researcher screen, applications, this option, in turn, displays a submenu with the options of application for researcher and application for the referee, keeping active the options applications made, approval of applications, and the exit label. By pressing the application button for the researcher, a form is displayed where the applicant can view the course content sheet, where we'll see the names of the coordinators and facilitators, to whom it is addressed, duration, objective, justification, graduation profile, and the content of each modules. We'll also see the requirements for course certification and the box with weighting of the evaluations. Finishing this screen, press the exit label. On this screen, application for referee. Applications. This option in turn displays a submenu with the application for researcher and application for referee options, keeping the applications made, application approval, and the exit label active. By pressing the referee application button, a form is displayed where the applicant can view the content of the course, where we'll see the names of the coordinators and facilitators, who it is addressed to, duration, objective, justification, graduation profile, and the content of each modules, as well as the requirements for course certification and the box with weighting of the evaluations. Finishing this screen, press the exit label. On this screen, applications for researcher application status labels are displayed that allow actions, such as go to the course, load course notes, among others, request to upload the file of the applicant's documents. Once it is approved and the applicant clicks on the link to take the course, the application will change to the status taking a course, where the applicant will be enabled to upload the notes when the course ends for its next validation and approval by editorial committee. This list of applications screen shows the data of the people who have applied for both researcher and referee. This management is exclusive to the editorial committee. It may approve the grades of the course taken by the applicant. Once approved, the applicant's profile will be automatically changed. When a person initially registers or applies for a position, they receive a welcome message from the editorial committee to encourage and thank them for their participation in the digital refereed scientific journal interoperability. This screen shows this welcome message. We conclude the video functionalities of the portal of the Digital Arbitrated Scientific Journal Interoperability. Grateful for your attention.